Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for always watching my videos, for always coming back. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are just awesome. You are amazing. Yes, in this video today I'm going to show you how I prepared the best indomie with vegetables. Trust me guys, this recipe is very easy. This meal is very easy to prepare and you are going to really love it. You are going to also enjoy the way I prepared it. Like, it's really easy and you don't have to do much. Okay, so guys, if you want to know how, make sure you watch this video from the start to the end. Don't go nowhere. So as you can see guys, I have all my ingredients here that I'm going to use for this recipe. Okay, I'm just going to list them to you one after the other, and also check in the description box. Also guys, I will list everything. I'll write everything down there. Okay, so right here I have my already chopped tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes. Okay, yes, I have my one scotch bonnet pepper and my one small onions also already sliced. Okay, I have 2 eggs there. I have half Maggi cube. Yes, I'll be needing that. I have my bell pepper, my yellow and red bell pepper there as well. Okay guys, yes, and also my spring onions as well. Okay, yes, I put them in the freezer, that's why you see it like that. Also my carrot is there as well, my oil, and I've also got my salt there as well, and my 2 instant noodles. Okay, yes, that's what I'm going to use to prepare this vegetable. I have also my mixed spices there as well, and I'm also going to fry these 2 plantain to eat the indomie with. Okay, so here I have my boiled water. I'm going to add my 2 instant noodles in the pot and bring it to a boil for like let's say 2 minutes. You know, the noodles is really soft, so I'm not going to let it cook too much. Okay, so I'm going to add the seasoning to it and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Okay, yes, I'm just going to put everything together, and guys, as you can see, it is cooked. Okay, like it is ready. So I'm just going to take that aside and start the frying. So I'm going to start frying. I'm going to add my oil to the pan. Okay, and after adding the oil, of course, I'm going to let it heat a bit, like let it hot before frying, before going on with the frying. Okay, so as you can see, the oil is hot now, so I added my onions to it. I'm going to just stir it with my spoon and let it fry for some seconds, or for at least 1 minute. Okay, and after that I'm going to add my carrots to it, my frozen carrot. Okay, yes, so I added my carrot to it, and guys, remember, carrot is also very healthy for the skin and for the body. I also added my spring onions as well. Spring onions is also very healthy. In fact, all vegetables are very healthy, and you really need it in your food and in your body. Okay guys, yes, so after adding the spring onions, I'm going to let them fry together for some seconds, for at least 20 seconds. Okay, and after frying it for 20 seconds, I'm going to add my bell pepper. Okay, the yellow and the red bell pepper, I added it to it, and I'm also going to let it fry for some seconds. Okay, and guys, after that I added my 1 scotch bonnet pepper and the cherry tomatoes. Okay, so I'm just going to let everything fry together till it is properly cooked. Okay, or properly fried or cooked, yeah, whichever one you want to use is fine. Okay, so after doing that, I added salt to it, and I also added the half Maggi cube as well. And guys, I'm sorry I didn't show the part where I added the mixed spices. I don't know, I think I didn't show it at that point. Okay, so but yes, I added a little bit of mixed spices to the pot. Okay, so I'm just going to stir everything together and let it cook. And after cooking, after frying it, or after it is properly cooked, I added my 2 eggs. I beat the eggs and added my salt to it, and I'm going to pour it on the pan. Okay, and let it fry together with the vegetables. So yes guys, as you can see, after letting it fry for some seconds, I have to stir everything together. Okay, like I have to stir together to give it that good cook. Okay, and after that I am going to add my cooked noodles. Okay, remember the noodles was already cooked, and for you to stop it from cooking, you have to like pour cold water on the noodles so that it won't cook more. Okay, like it won't be too soft. Yes guys, so after that I added the noodles to the pan, and I'm going to just stir everything together, like mix properly till everything is thoroughly mixed. Okay, and I added some oil to it because the oil was not that enough. It was like almost burning. Okay, so I added the oil to it, and I'm going to give it a good stir till everything is properly mixed together. Yes, so as you can see, my food is almost ready, and it is also very important to stir everything together so that the noodles will mix properly with the vegetables and everything will taste really good. Okay, I decided to change my pan because it was too small. I decided to use this bigger pan because that way I will be able to stir everything properly. Yes guys, so remember I also said that it is very good to cook with vegetables because vegetables are good for us. It's good for the body. It is healthy. It has a lot of health benefits. Okay, and if you also watch my videos, like if you are someone that always watch my videos, you see that I cook a lot with vegetables, and I cook a lot of healthy food and healthy drinks. Okay, so if you want to watch more of my videos, just go to my channel and click and find the videos, like watch my videos, you see them. Yes guys, so as you can see, I was able to really stir the noodles very properly. Okay, so that's it guys, my food is ready. I'm going to dish out mine. I already fried my plantain. Sorry I didn't show that, but I believe everyone know how to fry plantain. Okay, so I already fried the plantain. So I've already taken the food that I'm going to eat. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also help me to share, like, and comment. I will say bye for now and see you in my next video. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Bye.